Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine. Yes, beta. Tell me when I am visible.
Yes, sir. You are visible.
Now visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, बच्चे. Now, before starting our lecture, first confirm me that whether everyone has received the house list. House list is received?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Everybody know? Okay, fine. So now, those students, those who are confused in what is my house, in which house I am, that thing is now, that confusion is now, has now come to an end, because now I have already shared the, yes beta, what are you saying?
You are in which house?
Somebody? I am in Akash house, beta.
Okay, sir. Sir, really?
Yes, really. Why beta? What happened? Any problem?
No, sir. It is also in Akash.
Okay, fine. Who?
Jhalak is also in Akash.
Jhalak. Who is that Jhalak? Poker.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So only she is in Akash?
No. Sir, many students are there. We are in Vayu house.
Acha beta. Okay.
Yes, sir. We are in Vayu house.
Okay. So I hope that you people are now not confused of which house you are in. है ना? Now all confusion is removed. I have already shared, and if you have any doubt still, directly you can check in the group. Okay. So now that problem is solved. Okay beta. Now let's start. Shall we start beta? Shall we start with a
Sir, prayer.
Yes. We have to start with a prayer only, bachche. Yes. So let's start. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and monitor. Be ready to monitor the class. Okay. Yes. Let's start. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Pray for 2 minutes. And beta, I was in Vibhavem's office. That's why I was late. Okay. Okay. Anyways, join your hands. Close your eyes. Start your prayer for 2 minutes. And switch on the camera if possible, beta.
Yes, sir.
Tripti, then who is this? Okay. Pray that may the school reopen fast. Okay. Just think about God for 2 minutes. Forget everything else. Only concentrate on God and pray that may the school reopens fast. Yes, pray silently in your mind. Everyone. Okay. Just concentrate on God. Okay, बच्चे. Yes. Now open your eyes, everyone. Don't switch off your cameras. Okay. Let's start now. Yes, बच्चे. So yesterday, in the last class you just completed the chapter, and we are going to start a new chapter today, that is civics chapter number 5. As it's already been discussed, first we will complete the civics part, and then we will continue with the geography, and then at last we will go with the history. Okay, so as we have planned already, the same way only we will go. Okay, and why I did not send the textual exercise PDF, I know that I have not sent, because I thought that I will send worksheet, textbook, everything all together. Now, if yesterday if I send the textbook, then again you will have to download it, then you will write that. Then if I will send worksheet today, then again you have to go in the group, again you have to download. So it's better if I send everything all together, so you can download it all together. Yes or no? That's why I did not send yesterday. So don't be worried that I have not sent. Okay? Today I will send it all together. Okay, fine. Now everyone look. We are going to start a new chapter, which is very interesting one. Beta,
Sir?
my camera is
Sir, we
okay.
have to open the camera. Sir, your video is... No, sir. Yes, sir, your video is not...
Now okay?
No, sir. Now okay. Okay. Yes, sir, now it is okay.
Yes, beta. Now please switch on your cameras. Okay, so that I can see you, bache, whether you are sitting there or not. I want to confirm. Okay, let's start now. So what is the new chapter? I'm going to introduce a new chapter, that is civics chapter number 5. Women change the world. Now, this chapter is clearly linked with the previous one. Yes or no? In the previous chapter you learned about the differentiation that boys and girls, or what are the discriminations boys and girls face. Okay, now considering the girls part, okay, we already have learned that what kind of criticisms girls have. Yes or no, bache? Everyone has already learned that in the previous chapter, and we have seen with an example of... Yes, you can switch on the camera, no problem. You can switch on the camera until the network is okay. Till that time only you have to switch on camera. Now if you find that network is not okay, then you have to switch off. Now I think network is okay, so you can switch on the camera. Okay, good. Yes, switch on. You can switch on. Sarjil, you are saying something? Sarjil Boria. Sarjil Boria. Sarjil Boria. Vetri, beta, keep your camera somewhere else and sit straight. I can see your fan. I cannot see your face. Keep somewhere else where you have to keep it in front of you. Don't keep it downwards. Don't show your camera downwards. Otherwise I can see your fan. Okay. Don't keep the camera like that way. Keep it in front of you, and you should sit straight. Okay. This is how. Okay.
Yes,
good. Tripti is okay, good. And Swaraj is also okay. Yes, very good. Now, shall we start? Now, what do you understand by that? How women change the world? Now, if I give this as a topic for you to understand, or if we understand it as a topic, women change the world. What do you understand, bache? You know that women is the power in which the entire world can trust upon. Yes or no? The entire world believes in women and what kind of hard work they do. You have already seen that what kind of hard work they do. Yes or no? Especially in today's world, women are extraordinary. Yes or no? They do the job, they do the work. Along with that, they do the household work. Yes or no? And they manage many things at a time. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now considering that, what do you understand? It's by exactly what do you understand? Okay, women's work at home and it is not recognized as work. Now, as we understood in the previous chapter, but how does the society look after women? What is the view of women? बच्चे, what does the society do? Society का क्या review रहता है? What does society think about?
Society devalues the work of women. Women only have to. Sir, only women can do the housework and society devalues.
Yes, society devalues women. Yes or no? If a woman is doing household work, means society thinks that she is having no value. Means society devalues the women. Yes or no? Why? Why? What is the reason? That also I explained in the previous class. What is the reason? Because society thinks that they are not.
Work is not a work. Earning money is a work.
Yes, that is their thinking. That is their mentality. Okay, that is the mentality. But they don't understand, or the society don't understand that only earning money is enough. No, that's not. Earning money is not only enough. If you want to earn money, you have to be healthy. Now, if you have to be healthy, you have to eat food. And who prepares the food? It's not like today's world, men are also there. Men are also preparing food. It's not like only women are. In today's world, everyone is equal. Men and women, all are equal. All does, women do all the work that men do, and men does all the work that women can do. Yes or no? Now considering that, now it is okay. Both are similar. Okay. But as compared to the previous chapter, we have learned. Okay. I don't think that you are visible. Okay. I will wait a minute. Now, am I visible?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. It is at first.
Yes, sir. You were visible only.
Okay. Okay. Now, switch off your mic. Switch off your mic. Listen now. We also read that how doing household work and taking care of family members is a full-time job, and there is no specific hours at which it begins or ends. Okay, you did not understand a single word. I know. I will explain to you. What do you mean by that? Now, as women are busy with their works, or busy with their household work, that means that they don't even know whether it is a day or whether it is a night. Means they are very much busy in their work. Yes or no? They have got that much. They are indulged into the work. Indulged means they are completely dedicated to that work. No, means they don't even understand whether it's a day or it's night. Without bothering day or night, they are working at home. Okay. That too is similar to doing a job in a company. Yes or no? Now, society thinks that if a woman goes to a company and works, sits in the office, okay, and this is office, okay, she sits in the office and then she earns what? And she earns money. This is a picture of money, okay, according to, okay, I hope that this is not clear, but just to make you understand. So, this is a routine, so this woman is considered as what? Valuable women.
Valuable.
Who consider, this is the thinking of whom?
Society.
Society. Society thinks this is the cycle of women. Women goes to the office in the morning, does work in the office and earns more money, and that is done. And again the cycle goes on like this way. Routine. It's a cycle. It's a circle that is going on. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now the society thinks that these women are considered to be as the, yes, these women are valued more, to be as powerful. handle. They earn money every morning. Okay. And so they find relaxed life. Okay. Women are considered as valuable women. But when we consider it generally, actual women are those who work at home, and if you go to do the work at home or household work or household chores, yes or no? So that is considered to be the most toughest job that women can do, yes or no? That we already know. Then we also learn about how, now in this chapter what you will learn that that women look at the work outside the home and understood how some occupations are seen to be more suitable for men than for women. We will learn about how women struggle for equality. What you will learn? You will learn in this chapter about how women struggle for equality, or how she faces the situations when she is being discriminated by the society. Always remember, okay, this is what this chapter is all about. Means you will learn, you will see many examples of that. You will see examples that how women is facing the situations when they experience the discrimination by the society. Clear? Okay, yes, I am very happy to see many faces today. Good. Okay. Then what you will learn, you will see that getting an education was and still is one way in which new opportunities were created for women. Yes, in this chapter education has got some importance. You will learn that how education is helpful for a woman, okay, so that she can be valued in a way that discrimination can be removed or can totally be removed. Clear? So how she gets the education, how the education has a particular role in women's life. Okay, so this is what you are going to see. Then this chapter will also clarify the different types of efforts made by women movement or women's movement. Now here you will consider about which kind of movement, a particular movement that women do. Okay, what is that movement? Movement means what? Like, for example, movement means like you have learned in history, no? There were various movements, okay, satyagraha, these, that, like these kind of movements you have learned, no? The same way here, this is a particular women's movement. Women's movement means what you will learn in this. You will see that how the women interact with the people, okay, how they communicate with the people, and how they, yeah, how they. Yes, beta. Hello. Beta, your voice is not clear. Can you speak louder? Little more louder. Hello. 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 Am I visible?
Yes.
Beta, say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you
Where
are
is
visible.
Maitri?
Sir, Maitri,
Where is
mic
Maitri? Maitri, you were saying something.
Sir,
Maitri
her
said
camera and mic is off.
Yes, sir, she is on mute now.
Maitri, what were you saying, beta? Yes. Okay, say it later, no problem. Let's continue. So this chapter will clarify different types of efforts. What are the efforts made by women? Okay, what are the efforts made by women? Okay, for a movement. Okay, that is women's movement. For what purpose? To challenge the discrimination in recent years. So what are the discrimination? How do they face the discrimination that is given by the society? How do they discriminate? And in that discrimination phase, how do they face the situations? With various efforts. That is what you are going to see in this chapter. Let's see what are you going to study in this chapter. Let's discuss the point wise, okay, one by one. So we are not going to discuss it in detail today, just we are going to see the key points as we do it in every. Yes?
Yes, sir. You are stuck and your voice is cutting.
No, sir.
I'm stuck and voice.
No, sir. No, sir. You are clear.
No, sir, you are properly visible. Yes, sir, properly visible.
Properly visible. Listen, first one, fewer opportunities and opportunities and rigid expectations. Okay, then second, learning for change.
Learning for change.
Yes, for change. Third one, what is the third one? Schooling and education today. Schooling and education today.
Women's
Then what?
movement.
Yes,
Women's
this is the point where
movement.
this is the point that we have just discussed. Women's movement. Now, what do you mean by that? That we will discuss later. Then, campaigning. What do you mean by campaigning? That also we will discuss. Then
Raising
raising
awareness.
awareness. Raising awareness.
Protesting.
Then
Sir, protesting.
protesting. Then
Sir, then
is there anything else?
yes, sir.
Showing
Showing solidarity.
solidarity.
Showing solidarity.
What do you mean by solidarity? I will say later. First, let's discuss. Okay. Yes. So these are the key points. Everyone listen now. Everyone look at the board. This is E. Okay, beta. E. And this is W. Fewer. Okay. Fewer opportunities and rigid expectations. Means here you can see that women are suitable. Women are considered to be suitable to do some work. Okay. Some work only women can do. That is the mentality. Okay. It's not a reality. That's the mentality. Women can do some work and some work women cannot do. Okay. This kind of mentality is going on.
Sir, your video is blur.
What is blur? Screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, your video. Yes, sir, video is blur.
Beta, my video is on. My camera is on only. You cannot see
Now,
me.
okay.
Sir, now it is clear.
Sir, might be all cameras are on or there will be network issue.
So then I will say few students only to switch on the camera. All others can switch off. Swara, switch off the camera, bache. Swara. Okay, now I can see only Tripti. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue, beta. Yes.
Switch off the switch
Yes.
on. Sir, may I
What,
switch
beta?
off the camera?
Yes, you can switch off the camera. Switch off the camera. Now okay. Now okay.
Yes, sir. Now it is okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now listen. Wait a minute, beta.
जब सबका कैमरा ऑन था तब भी आप विजिबल थे, पर अभी 2 मिनट के लिए आप चले गए थे कहीं, ब्लर हो गया था कैमरा।
अच्छा,
यस सर, अदरवाइज योर
Okay.
कैमरा इज परफेक्ट।
it was okay only, no?
सर इट वाज ओके ऑन।
Okay, so now listen. Listen. Okay, the first one. May I switch on camera? Okay, if you want to switch on, you can switch on the camera. Listen, the first one, fewer opportunities and rigid expectations. Okay, fewer opportunities means opportunities are very less. Okay, less opportunities are available to the women, because why? It is considered that some work is only able to be done by the women, some work is not able to be done by women. Okay, so according to that, we think or we feel that opportunities are less for women, and rigid expectations, or like we can say difficult, okay, or not flexible, we can say. Okay, so these kind of expectations is also going with the women, means we cannot say that women cannot expect more, according to, means that's the mentality, yes or no? So what is the point, that this first point, what it says, that we will discuss later in detail. Okay, many people believe that women don't bear technical mind, and therefore they are not capable of dealing with technical things. Means what people think, people's mentality is that they don't deal with a particular or like a technical issue or technical thinking. Women cannot do. That is the mentality of the society. Okay, which creates a rigid expectations, or not flexible. They are not easy. Okay, they might think that it's difficult for them to expect a work.
Rigid?
Huh?
What is meaning of rigid?
Beta, rigid means flexible, means we can say difficult, not flexible. Okay, not flexible. Flexible means easy, simple. Okay, Kunjesh, if you want to switch on the camera, you can switch on. Means not flexible. Clear, beta? Tripti, who asked me that? I don't know.
Yes sir, I only asked Tripti.
Okay,
Clear.
okay. Is it clear? So due to that lack of opportunities, they feel like they don't expect. They don't want to expect. Means the expectations are very less. They are not flexible with the with doing any work. Why? Because mentality. It's the mentality of society that they can do some work, or some work is not able to be done by the women. So these kind of they are actually lowered down. Their expectations become very less. Clear? So that is what the first meaning. And as you know that about stereotypes. Have you heard about stereotypes? Anyone?
Yes
Have
sir,
you heard
in
what?
standard 6.
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
You have heard
standard 6,
stereotypes.
where we had learned.
Yes, beta.
We had learned in standard 6.
You learned in class 6. Okay. So stereotypes means people are what? What do people do? They say that yes, you are not able to do this, so you don't do that. You will never be able to do this. That is known as stereotypes. Especially stereotypes are been experienced by many of the women out there in the world. Yes or no? There are various famous women, those who were actually been stereotyped. They are stereotyped by the society. They say that better you cannot do it, don't do it. You are not expected to do this. You cannot do anything. Even though you expect to do, you will never be able to succeed. This kind of saying is known as being stereotyped. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So as this world is stereotyping, especially women, okay, so it is therefore girls do not get the same support that boys do to study and train to become doctors and engineers? Okay, now if a girl wants to become a doctor, okay, so society thinks that, society stereotypes them. They say that, beta, you are a girl, you are not able to do engineering work, beta, don't do this much hard work, it is not possible for you to do. Okay, so this is what known as stereotyping. People stereotype them. Yes or no? That is the meaning of stereotyping. Yes or no? Clear? So today's women have become much more aware, but when we consider about today's women, especially which century is going on? Yes or no? 21st century. In this 21st century, yes, women have become much more aware of this thing. Aware of what? Aware of this stereotype. Okay, women are aware of this. They know that yes, people are going to stereotype us. Okay, if we plan of doing this thing, or if we plan to do this work, then people are going to criticize you only. That is their job. That is the duty that they have. They are going to criticize you. Okay, and they are determined to break these stereotypes by excelling them in fields which were considered male preserves till now. So, as stereotyped is been considered by women in this 21st century. Okay, when women are aware of the stereotyping, what do? They excel in certain field, in whatever field they are going to work. So they excel in that. Excel means, understand, means they work hard for that and they achieve something in that field. Okay, so until now, suppose for example, now Olympics is going on. Yes or no?
Yes,
Olympics
sir.
Tokyo
Yes,
Olympics.
Sir, India go in semi-final.
Do you know any women of any sports?
Yes, sir. PV Sindhu.
PV Sindhu, yes. Then
Sir, Saina Nehwal.
Saina Nehwal. Then
Mary Kom.
yes.
Sir, Geeta
So
Fogart.
these are, yes. So they are all certain women. So they, do you think that they are been stereotyped at a particular age when they were planning to do
Yes, sir.
to go to the
We
sport?
have seen the movie. We have seen the very much
Of course. Yes. So they have faced a lot of stereotyping. Okay, like people are saying that, beta, you are bound to do this much only. Don't expect too much. You are not able to do this particular sport. Okay, especially like in the sport in which they used to hit each other. No, yes or no?
Yes,
Then
Yes,
in like wrestling, yes or no? So these are, they think that, then these are the kind of sports which they fear that women is not able to do that. Okay, so these kind of like people always what they think that they make them, they don't give them confidence. Yes or no? They are being they don't allow them to do. They make them or they harass them in a way that they won't be able to do it in future. But still, in today's world, as you have already seen, and I think PV Sindhu has won recently only medal, no? I think in news also it have come. Now there might be people who have been stereotyped, okay, especially women. So this is a perfect example how women can do. They can change the world. They can change. Now you have got, if a woman has won a medal, that means you can say that it's a proud moment for India. So these kind of criticisms, this kind of stereotype, okay, so to remove that, they work hard for that, and this way they gain. Yes, they gain, and they make all the other people, those who are stereotyping them, they make their mouths shut. Yes or no? Is it clear? They fight for it and they work hard for that, they struggle for that, okay, without even getting all those stereotypes on their head. Is it clear? So this are the kind of examples that women does. So women does change the world. Do you believe in that? How do women change the world? For example, we can say at your home. Now, this entire India is belonging to a family, no? Means all are having family. Okay. Now, hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All belong to a family. Even
Yes, sir.
even the people, those who sit on the roadside, they might not be having houses, they might not be having home to live, but still they do have a family. We believe that they also have a family. Of course, they have a family. So, among each and every family. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In each and every family, there is a woman who stands pillar to support the men out there. Yes or no? Now, when men get successful, okay, so there is a support of a women. Now, do you know why women were created? By God. Why women were created? Women was created to support. Yes, women were created to support men. So that is the reason why today there are many men out there who has been successful, especially when talking about the richest man in the world. Who is the richest man in the world right now?
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Ambani,
Bill Gates was.
he was.
Yes.
Ambani is the richest of men in Asia only.
Yes. I can hear some noises. Beta. Monitor.
Yes, Bezos.
Monitor.
Jeff Bezos.
Please write the name. Yes.
Jeff
Jeff
Bezos.
Bezos of Amazon.
Jeff Bezos.
Beta.
CEO of Amazon.
CEO of Amazon.
Sir, who is monitor?
Who is the monitor? You don't know. Who is the monitor?
No, sir.
Oh,
Sir,
did I?
Riya Bhatt.
Riya Bhatt. I have appointed no monitor. So is Riya present? Hello? Is Riya present?
Yes, sir.
Riya is. Beta,
Yes, sir,
please note the name whose mic was on. Clear? Yes. So they are determined to break these stereotypes. Women break the stereotypes by excelling in their particular field, okay, and which is considered that male preserves till now. So whichever field they thought that this field is only for men, women cannot do that. So whichever field it was, okay, right now women has taken the place. Now they have broken the stereotype. Is it clear? This is how women, we can say that opportunities might be few, but still they utilize it in a very, they utilize it on the best way. Clear? And they also, or even though they are expected to expect less and their expectations are very less, but still whatever field they take upon or they take in control, they would do it in a very, means they excel in that field. Okay, so we have now women pilots, as you already know. We have women pilots, we have women engineers, we have women police officers, we have women scientists, etc. So we can mention here the name of Lakshmi Lakra, the first women rail engine driver. Okay, I don't know whether the figure is given in your textbook or not.
It is given on page number 57.
Page number 57. Do you know about her? She was the engineer.
The first pilot. Female pilot.
Female pilot to
Kargil Wall.
She is a rail engine driver. Okay, rail engine driver. Okay, she was the first woman. Okay, so that is an example. She broke the stereotypes of people. She was being harassed. She was being stereotyped by the people that beta. You can read the story of Lakshmi. Okay, it is given on page number 57. How did she break the stereotype? Okay.
you read Tripti?
No, beta. Now I think time is also up. No, we don't have time to read that. So we will
We have to
continue from
read.
that. Yes, beta.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
We have to read as homework.
You have to read it out. Very good. So that is the homework. Because as we don't have time now, you have to read. You have to read this. Beta, these 4 topics These 4 topics are very easy. Only 1-2 points are there. Only 1 or 2 points are there for each. Some topic has 1 point, and within that 1 point I will explain. It is already, I am sending you those points in every chapter, so you can read from there also. Okay, these 4 points I will explain in short tomorrow, and these 4 points are the main points, okay, of the chapter, which has to be explained in detail. Okay, so you have to read this first one and the second one, learning for change. These 2 topics you have to read for tomorrow as a homework. Read the textbook and try to solve the worksheet. Clear? This is a homework for you all. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
now those who
sir.
have not come, and today I will send the worksheet and textual of yesterday's chapter or the previous chapter, that you have to complete it. That also you have to do. Clear now?
Okay, sir.
Now shall we
Yes, sir.
move for attendance? Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, today can you take
Can you take? Yes, beta. Can you take what, beta?
No, sir, nothing.
Say, beta. Say. What were you about to say? Say.
No, sir.
You are having any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Beta, don't hesitate to say. You can say, no problem. What were you asking, or what do you want to say?
No, sir, you can take attendance.
Attendance, beta. Every day I am taking only. Is it necessary to say separately?
No,
Not needed,
sir.
no? Then, beta.
Sir, then nothing.
Then nothing. Beta, you wanted to say something. Okay? You can say later. Okay? Call and tell me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can call and
No,
ask
sir,
me. Clear,
I don't
bachche?
have doubt. I don't have doubt. I am asking in offline class how your teachers take attendance, like that I was telling today to take attendance.
Offline classes? Acha, that way. That way, beta, we should have time. What I will have to do, I will have to call one by one names, then you will say present, then I will put present. It takes much time, no? That's why I am taking the screenshots. Clear? Okay, anyways. Now you can leave, bachche. I have taken the screenshots. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
care.
Thank you for watching us.
Bye, sir.
Have a wonderful day. Okay?
Bye, sir.